back here in Mesa, Arizona, where we're going to be covering a poly-level job, and we will see how our crews are going to help this homeowner.
The poly, what we're going to do is stabilize the concrete from any movement and settlement. Some of it has settled already, so we are going to lift and level the concrete.
So when we first got here, the driveway and the carport was a bit settled, as well as the back patio had a crack that was settled a lot. After our poly level, we had to level the driveway. When we first did our zip level, it was measuring about -11 to -14 throughout the driveway. After we were done, we got our zip level out. We leveled. We managed to get 3 inches. After that, we showed the customer what we did with the numbers, how we lift leveled, managed to get the driveway looking normal. That was our first time using our zip level. Shout out to Eddie, our chief lead tech on poly. He's the one that gave me the nudge to start using this zip level. Other than that, we were able to get this leveled, stabilized. Another happy customer.